Good morning, Apachi Northside. This is Heath this morning, and I'm going to do a very easy science activity in my kitchen, so it's something that you and your family can also do. I might be disturbed a little bit. My puppy's in here watching right now. So really all you need for this is a pie pan, maybe a piece of white paper, printer paper, or a paper towel. Place that clear pie pan on top. It just makes this activity easier to see, all the little processes that are going to take place. And then I just took a few different spices. I got oregano, basil, there's also ginger powder that I mixed in another small glass container. So this is going to be a mixture that I use. I've got some Dawn dish soap. I've already sprayed it. You can use the liquid dish soap also. And then I've just got regular water. So I'm gonna go ahead, just so everybody can witness how the water molecules act as I pour them into the pie pan. So you're gonna notice that the water molecules, they like to stick together, they like to cluster, they don't like to separate. So I've got that nice water puddle right there in my pan. I'm gonna go ahead and fill the rest of the pan all the way up with water. Well, not all the way up, but just so that I cover the basin, okay? All right, so now I'm just going to use the rest of the water, haha. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that mixture of all these different spices that you find in the kitchen into my pie pan. All right, so now that I've got the surface of my water, with some ginger powder on there and some basil, oregano, I'm gonna go ahead and stick my finger in there. And when I pull it up, you'll just notice that I've got those spices sticking to my finger. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to take my finger, I'm going to put it into the dish soap. All right, get it all nice and soapy on there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my finger and I'm going to apply my finger into the pie pan. Well, it beat me to it. I didn't even get to stick my finger. What just happened? Once I stuck my finger, actually the soap dropped right in there. What happened to the surface of the water? I'll go ahead and try this one more time over here. I don't know if it will work, but let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and get more soap on my finger. I'm gonna put my finger. See, it didn't work the second time. But the first time, you notice this nice clear area. So now thinking about what I just did, why is it so important for us to use soap and water with our hands? Why is it so important to wash with soap and water? Think about it, and once you've reflected on this activity, once you've thought about the question I'm asking, go ahead and shoot me an email and explain why you think it's so important to wash your hands with soap and water and use this activity that I did in the kitchen in your explanation. All right, have fun.